अगली खबर का रुख करते हैं। गुस्ताख रसूल को लेकर मुल्क में जारी एहतजाज के बीच बेंगलुरु में मजहबी रहनुमाओं ने सीपी प्रताप रेड्डी से मुलाकात की है। इस दौरान मुस्लिम मजहबी रहनुमाओं के साथ सिख समाज के लोग भी मौजूद थे। मुलाकात के दौरान वफ्द ने ऐसे बयान देने वालों के खिलाफ जल्द कार्रवाई की मांग की। उन्होंने बताया कि रियासत के दीगा अजला में भी जिम्मेदारान को इंतजामिया को मेमोरेंडम देने को कहा गया है ताकि हुजूर के नाम पर किसी तरह की बदअमली नहीं पैदा होने पाए।
हमारे शहर की तंजीमों के तरफ से हमने ऑलरेडी एफआईआर करा दिया है। उसके ऊपर यहाँ बेंगलुरु से एफआईआर हुआ है। इसी तरह हमारी रियासत के अजला के जिम्मेदारों से हमने गुजारिश की है, जैसे चिकमंगलूर है, बीदर है, गुलबर्गा है, कोलार है, तो यहाँ अजला में भी हमने गुजारिश की है कि वहाँ भी एक एक एफआईआर दर्ज करें। आजकल का जो नया कानून है, आप जहाँ भी एफआईआर करते हैं तो एफआईआर उसको मुंतकिल कर दिया जाता है जहाँ मेन केस होता है, वहाँ पे वो कानून के दायरे में काम करेंगे। जो भी कानूनी दायरे में रहकर काम किया जा सकता है, हम सब उलमा उसको इंशाअल्लाह अंजाम देंगे और उसमें जद्दोजहद करते रहेंगे।
हम सबसे पहले हमारे मुसलमान भाई के साथ खड़े होने आए हैं। हमारे तरफ से एज सिख कम्युनिटी वी वांट टू स्टैंड इन सॉलिडारिटी विद आवर मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी who have been very badly hurt in terms of sentiments. Whatever has been spoken is already there in the media. We as a community always say that no religion is above law. We have to see that every religion is respected. Nobody can talk about another religion without any meaning. We have also been seeing that in Bangalore, especially in Karnataka, our Muslim brothers have shown so much of tolerance. This is something unique only in Karnataka, and we congratulate the Muslim community for the peace that they have shown, and the elders who are here. They have shown the way that everywhere in India the same thing is not happening. Where there are wise sentiments, they are also hurt. It's not that they are not hurt. उनको भी दुख लगा है, लेकिन वो दुख को बांटने के लिए हम आए हैं. We are here to share their sorrow and also to tell them that we are with them. Police Commissioner also assured them that whatever happens, we are with you. We are very, very fair in everything. There is not going to be any partiality in anything. If anything is right, they will be supported. Anything is wrong, action will be taken. And assurance has been given by the Police Commissioner that the thoughts and sentiments of Muslim community will be taken to the CM and the government.
In the background of various developments and protests that were happening in other states, the leaders of the Muslim community and other community leaders met us today. We had a discussion, and from the community they assured that Karnataka has been a peaceful state and the peace in the state would be prevailed, and they would cooperate and ensure that the community would be there to support all the efforts of the government in ensuring peace. From police side, we assured them that police would take all lawful actions against any things that go on, and we will work with them. And in this regard, the Chief Minister of Karnataka also yesterday directed the police to ensure that no untoward incidents should happen in Karnataka, and we communicated that as well to them.
So any specific demands they had, like they want something from you, from the police department?
No, they would be giving us a representation if they have any demands, and so we would be forwarding that to the government.